Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to get 100,000 Spotify listeners, 100,000 monthly listeners on Spotify using this Spotify hack. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy, Yon World. Now, if you haven't been following my page, I've been going over the Spotify method, and a couple of days ago, I released this video about the Spotify method, how to make money using Spotify music streaming. And on this video, I showed my main account, right? My main account, Yon World. At the time, I only had 57 monthly listeners, right? And I showed that I run other accounts on this video. I showed that I run other accounts, and one of my other accounts have over 100,000 monthly listeners. And I'm about to show y'all how to get 100,000 or more monthly listeners on Spotify. Now, as y'all can see, I uploaded this video October 29th, right? October 29th, and I had 57 monthly listeners, right? If we go to my Spotify page right now, I have 5,800 monthly listeners, right? Just in the past week, I've increased my monthly listeners on Spotify, and I'm about to show you how to do this, right? So, in order to use this Spotify hack, you have to go to a service called justanotherpanel.com, right? And on this service, they use what's called Spotify API access tokens to generate streams. And what's crazy about this website is that these streams are royalty eligible, so you get paid. And I made videos about this, breaking down the payment structure. But basically, for 1 million streams, right, you get between $3,700 to $4,000 from Spotify. You get that back, right? And in order to generate 1 million streams on Just Another Panel, right, it will only cost you $720, right? And this is a good method, because not only do you grow your following, you grow your monthly listeners on Spotify, but you're also getting paid for those royalties. So this Spotify hack helps you earn money, and it also helps you gain exposure on your profile. And just to show you my other profile, you know, it's Yon World, then I have another profile called Yon. Right here, we have over 100,000 monthly listeners on this profile. So I know what I'm talking about. It works. It pays out. You know, I've been doing this for a while. I just wanted to share the information with y'all, because I know it's a lot of independent artists out there wondering like how the music game works now. And just to show y'all, you probably wondering like, this site, Just Another Panel, where do the streams come from? Are they bots? Like, what are they? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go into my Spotify for artists, right? This is my Spotify for artists. This is my back end. Like, if you a Spotify artist, you should have access to this. Like, you should want to go sign up for Spotify for artists, right? So you can see right here, 40 people are listening right now live. They listening live on Yon World, right? Last 7 days, we got 5,800 listeners, and we did 8,000 streams, right? And 109 followers, right? And if I go to my audience, I'm gonna break it down by the last 7 days. You see the increase, crazy increase, you know, just using Just Another Panel, right? And we go down, and you can see where my monthly listeners was at. You know, Sunday it went up. Now, the second it went up, and tomorrow it's gonna go up because I'm running active promotions. And I'm gonna get Yon World, right? I'm gonna get this page to over 100,000 before the year over. So whenever you watching this video in 2020 or after 2020, just go on Spotify and search Yon World, and my monthly listeners probably gonna be higher than 100,000, but I'm gonna show y'all how to get 100,000, you know, monthly listeners, just using Just Another Panel, right? All it costs to get 100,000 listeners on Just Another Panel, it costs $72 in music promotion. That's all it costs in music promotion. I made a video about how to add money to Just Another Panel. You need a Coinbase account, and you need to add Bitcoin to your Coinbase account. You can link the Coinbase account to your JAP, and it'll transfer the funds from your wallet. Now, when we go down to the source of my streams, right? The source of these streams, I want to show all of this, right? You see 92% comes from other, which are streams that come from smart speakers, TVs, or wearables. So this is how they're generating the streams, through Spotify API access tokens, which are basically Spotify logins on these accounts. They stream your song. So you can see through this music promotion service, Just Another Panel, the listeners' age, right? 52% are male, 48% are female, right? And you can see the age groups. Majority are 35 to 44, right? You know what I'm saying? And then you see all the age groups that listen. The more listeners, this will populate. I'm going to be documenting the entire process so y'all know exactly how the growth is going. So subscribe to the channel, check back. I'm going to continue to drop videos on this case study, right? So you will see where my listeners are coming from, mainly the United States. Then we got Germany. Then we got the United Kingdom, Chile, Brazil, Canada, France, South Africa, Italy, but mainly the United States, because that's the plays we run for, right? So we go back to the audience, keep strolling down. You can see the top cities, right? Top cities: Germany, Frankfurt, right? Then we got Buffalo, then we got Chicago, then we got Dallas, then we got New York, then we got, I can't even pronounce that, Des something. Then we got Atlanta, Seattle, Los Angeles, So it's a good, healthy mix, right? So I'm going to document the entire process. Y'all going to see all of the growth. Right now, we have 5,800 monthly listeners. We're going to get this account to over 100,000 before the year over, right? I'm going to show y'all all of the reports from my streaming in January. I'm gonna show you all of the money I made off of this. And the thing about this method is you have to start, right? And it's not for the weak, man. You gotta take a risk with yourself. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be willing to invest. I help you over the phone consultation for $250. I have information in the description, but you gotta be willing to help yourself. The information is out there. Y'all just gotta understand all of this. I've broken down what SMM panels are. I broke it down what API access tokens are. I've broken down how this method is green. I broke it down the royalties. I've shown everything. I'm just putting this out there, not only for content for the channel Yon World, but so y'all can know there's ways to make money online. You just gotta apply yourself. So, with that being said, we gonna run this account up. Y'all can watch, y'all can pay attention. I got some new music coming out, and we just prepping my account for the new music. And when my new music is on Spotify, we gonna really run it up. So y'all gonna see we might have over 1 million monthly listeners on this account before the year over. So just pay attention, watch the grind. We working. But yeah, this is how to get 100,000 monthly listeners on Spotify, man. All you have to do is run it up on Just Another Panel. You see the audience. It's not no non-binary. It's not, you know what I'm saying? This is bots, non-binary. Like, that mean a bot. Non-specific, that mean a bot. You know what I'm saying? These are real people. So, understand the game. Understand you can get some money. I know it's a lot of scary people out there. Keep your scary ass out the comments. Because I'm going to delete your comment, man. This is for the risk taker, the money getter, the dreamer, the entrepreneur, right? Not you scared, you know where to go. Nah, it's your boy Yon World. That's my video for today. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. I'm out. Peace.